Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. So in this video I will explain how to make a filtering. Last few video we did listing, add, edits and deletes. So in this video we can make a filtering and we can complete this module, student module, to finish. So let's start to make a filtering. So let's open the code. So go to resources, inside use, inside student, inside you can click on the listings. Let's make a zoom out so we know. Okay, I click on save files. Okay, now I can go to admin, inside list, and I just copy the filtering, so we don't want to write again. So before the messaging, so just copy this filtering and put here. So do you want to see this video how to make a filtering, so you can check how to make a admin.list, like HTML, how we can make a listing about HTML. So let's go back and refresh the page. So it's taking few seconds. Now you can see search admin, we can change to search admin to search student. Okay, now names, so means these names we can use a name and last name, both two column we can use, like we can make a 2. We don't need to make a like 3 2. Here is a lots of field there, this will. So name, last name, here also you can change to last name, name is a last name, and here also you can change last name. Let's refresh the page. Let's see how it looks. You can see small size, name, last name, emails. Now we can make admission numbers, we can make all the filters, so people need to search anything using the filtering. So admission number, let's go bottom and copy the admission number and put here inside here. Okay, let's refresh. So you can see it looks like a better admission number, date we have made, and after we can copy again to roll numbers, so just make it here roll number. After make a class, because we need to make class wise filtering, so whatever you can type, so you can make class wise filtering also. Let's refresh the page how it looks. Let's see. Okay, now looks is better because class, after gender, male, female, whatever you type, let's make that is the drop down, so looks like you can use the drop down like whatever you could search. So let's go to add students, inside go to here genders and just copy all part and put here and just change to here request get gender. So after we can change the name like here gender, and just remove this ones, and also need to remove the required field. You don't need the required field. Let's go back and refresh the page, so you can see gender drop down, male, female, and after reset, so we need to reset to student list. Let's change this URL student list. Okay, now gender after their date of birth. I think date of birth we don't need. After we can make a cart. The date of birth is not important for filtering. And also make all the field one by one we can make, but let's make this field also. Okay, now copy again to the bottom, we can make a mobile number also. So let's go down and copy the mobile class name, gender, mobile number. Okay, let's refresh the page. So you can see it here mobile number. After we can make a blood group and admission dates. admission date we need, because we know okay which date he is registered, so you need to filtering. So you can make okay today what's the register for this date, admission dates. So go down admission dates, I will copy, just put here admission date. Here is not possible work, so just remove. Okay, let's refresh the page. So you can see the admission date and create it. We just change to create a date. And we don't need here placeholder, so just remove. Okay, now we can make blood groups. Also need to make blood group. I just copy admission date, we can make it last, so just blood group. Let's go down and copy the blood groups database field name, blood groups. Okay, let's refresh the page. Let's see how it looks here. Okay, I think we can make also one, like we can make status. So same as a drop down. So let's go to up and copy this ones and put here. So we can just write the status. We can remove other classes, active and inactive. Okay, now just change to your status. Here you can change status means 1 and 0 means hundreds. We can make a 0 means 100 because not possible to make a condition inside a model. So 0 means hundreds and 1 means inactive. Okay, after I can show you why I am doing this once I will make a filtering, so you can understand better way. Suppose you are doing with me code, so you can understand easily. Okay, active, inactives and name. So let's make a search. So you can see it, everything is found. So let's make a status is equal to active here, search. So not removing anything. So let's make a one by one validation inside a, not validation, one by one inside filter. Go to HTTP controller, student controller. Inside you need to go to get students. So I just go to, and so you can see it inside model inside user.php. So let's make it, we can declare here use request. I already declared, so you are not declared, so please request. I just copy name to name works. So users.name, so name filtering works, users.last name, so last name also works like this. We can make all the filters same like this, last name. After we can make like emails, same, just copy paste work. It is not difficult, very easy, anybody can do it. Suppose you know coding. Okay, so yes, admission numbers, after roll numbers. Okay, now we can make a class. The class table we need to use. We don't need to use a user table. So class. So just here pass the class, here class, and here you can type class dot name. So class is inside database table name, class, and inside is a column name is a name. So just copy again above and put here gender. So gender you can type like this, genders. Gender, after we can do some other columns. So let's go caste. I make some fields copy paste easily, so we can do easily caste. Also make this field also. Okay, now mobile number, blood groups, so you can make blood group. Now we can status, we can make last admission dates. Admission date, when here admission date, we can remove the like query. We don't need now like query for admission dates. And here you can make their date. Okay, same thing we can do inside create date, so just I use a date function date. So here you can make it created at, okay. I think now it's clear. So now we can make a status slack. So text copy and paste here status. So here's I can make condition if request date 100, so we can use 0, otherwise we can use 1. Here also make like a is equal to, here also is equal to, okay. And here they change to status, here also you can change to status. Okay, now the filtering all the columns we have set done. So let's go back and refresh the page and check it's working, not working. Okay, I think it's working. Let's try one by one. Okay, let's try this email address only. So refresh. So you can see only one data found. So it's working very well, no issue. Class I can type like SSS1. I reset now. And I have class I have SS2. Class, where is the class? Yes. So you can see it's working very well, no issue. Let's make the gender is like females, and I will make date, the created date I will set like yesterday, means 3/4/2013. So you can see here is the female data inside, this is the filtering date inside not found. So let's see here 3/4/2013. So let's make a refreshing, 1 minute. 3/4/2013, refresh. So this is the data is male. So also I can search like this male. So you see, because before you have used the female, this reason is not matching the data. All things working. Suppose I can search like this in start. I reset again. I can put here and I refresh. So you can see it. Otherwise I can make it like this searching. So also because we have made a like this. Otherwise you can search like this. I can make resets, and here you can put like this. So also working. You see, because these are birds here matching found. Also you can do it mobile number like you can half mobile number like this search 99132. So also working. You can see it. Every filtering working very well, no issue. So in this video I have explained how to make a filter with how to make a validation, means query inside their table, means users tables. So you can see it here, like all the query, all the condition wise work, like name found, so it's going to inside, last name found, so going to inside, same like email, genders, caste, blood groups, all fields like this works. So next video we can start new module like a parents, because this module is done, like we have done add, edit, delete student listing with filtering. So next video we can start in like a parents module, and we can make here another button like assigns parents, and student side, parent side we can make another button like assign students. So we know who is a parent for these students and who is a students for these parents. Thank you very much for watching. So do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this more videos? So please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.